Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with New York Life, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with New York Life, start by visiting their official website. Explore the investment options available through the platform. Familiarize yourself with the various types of investment accounts offered. Consider scheduling a consultation with a financial advisor. Gather necessary personal financial information to share during your meeting. Discuss your financial goals and risk tolerance with the advisor. Evaluate the investment products recommended by your advisor. Ask questions about fees and performance history for each option. Determine how much money you wish to invest based on your budget and goals. Complete any required paperwork for the investment account setup. Provide any requested documentation, such as identification and financial statements. Review the terms and conditions associated with your investment account. Ask for clarification on any aspects that you do not fully understand. Once your account is set up, fund it with your chosen investment amount. Monitor your investments regularly to track their performance. Consider adjusting your investment strategy based on market conditions and personal changes. Stay informed about financial news that may affect your investments. Continue to communicate with your financial advisor for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.